Hey everyone, we're hosting part 2 of our masterclass, How to 10x Your Marketing with AI, and it's coming up on December 11th. Now, AI, as you know, is moving at a ridiculous pace over the last few months, and the team at MyZone has been automating marketing for small businesses for over a decade. I can't wait to show you the newest breakthroughs. You are going to walk away with some real wins that are going to save you money or generate more business, all by improving your marketing efficiency. This session is for entrepreneurs. We will be digging into automating your lead generation, lead enrichment, dynamic lead scoring, media buying, ad creative production, and how to automate up to 90% of your internal marketing operations. If you missed the part 1 workshop, it was on November 12th. The link is in the description below so you can catch up before part 2. You can expect a few hundred seasoned entrepreneurs in attendance with a lively Q&A session at the end. So can't make that exact date and time? No worries. You can still RSVP and we'll email you out the recording after the event. So go to myzone.ai to register today and we'll see you there.